school has been in less than a week. And I'm already dealing with peer pressure, class clown, and a DHEC violation. Apparently, my children had a meeting and decided since they's all grown up, they's going to do something grown up. So they all decided to shave. Now, I found out because the 5-year-old cut herself. So instead of doing something grown up like emptying a laundry basket or emptying the dishwasher or folding some clothes, my children decide to shave. So come on in here and have a meeting. I'm like, who in this room has permission to shave, and why are you shaving? The 10-year-old goes, the girls are making fun of me because I have hairy legs, and my feelings was hurt. Peer pressure. My son says, I just want to shave down my arm and see what it looked like. You just want to be a class clown. So I looked at the 5-year-old and I said, why are you shaving? She said, I didn't shave. She said, they used a razor and it was gross. And I was getting a new one because it was just gross. Wait. Are you trying to tell me that as a 5-year-old, you was consulting some DHEC standards on some bloodborne pathogens on how to do something sanitary even though you're breaking the law? You in charge.